Hello everyone, so today I want to introduce you to one of the experimental apps that I've created. This app is going to scrap the CVF website and it's going to download all the papers from that website. So this is the app as you can see in here. Let's go and I want to show you the CVF website. So the CVF is a non-profit organization that they're working on computer vision, and they have academic papers on computer vision, and they have a lot of conferences each year. So you can see there's a lot of conferences going on, and they have a lot of papers. So let me show you the open access in here. So you can see that here in the open access part, they have a lot of papers. So from each conference that they've had, they have a lot of papers and there's many of them out there. So it's really not easy to download each one of them one by one. So let's go, for example, to maybe this one. You can see day 1, day 2, day 3, and many papers, all papers. Let's see. So many of these papers are available in here. And if you go here and click on one of the PDFs, okay, my computer is struggling. Just give it a second. Okay. Okay, now you can see that the PDF is going to be opened. Yep, so this is the academic paper. However, there's so many of these papers and it's not really easy for you to download each one of them. So that's why I have built this small app. This app is going to help you download all those papers. So let's go and see how this app works. So you can choose, or you can select the year that you want the papers to be downloaded from. So I want the papers from 2021 onwards. So 2021, 22, 23, and currently it's 24. So that will be included as well. Let's go and uh, define the output folder. I want it to be on my, let's say, pictures. I want to create a new folder, PDFs. I'll call it PDFs. Okay, I'll select this folder. Now I have defined the output folder. Now let's go and click download. And as you can see, the task has started and it's generating URLs, 12 URLs generated. It's trying to scrap the PDF links from those URLs, and then it will start downloading. Okay, so the PDF links were found, and now the downloads has started. Let's go to documents. No, not documents, pictures, I think. Here, my PDFs folder from 2021. So it will create a folder for each one of those years, and it will put the papers based on the year in these folders. So 2021, and as you can see, so many of them. Let me just change the view to a list, not list, to detail. So as you can see, 75 items, and it will keep increasing. So many of these papers, 83 papers now, and 91 papers, and there will be more and more of these papers. And as you can see, this is how the app works. All of these papers are going to be downloaded in bulk for you. So that's it, and thank you for watching. If you want to get this app, I have included the link for the app in the description of this video. So check that out, and thank you.